Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by listing active backup agents and destinations so you know what to stop. You must pause or disable running jobs right away. Use the GUI or a CLI command and note job ID. Once paused, make sure you have administrative rights and record current settings for rollback. This prevents accidental data loss and gives you a clear map of what to resume later. If a job won't pause, force stop the agent but document that action immediately. Next, delete scheduled tasks and cron entries that will restart backup jobs. This ensures they won't resume on a timer. Stop the backup services or agents and disable auto start so processes don't relaunch after reboot. Once services are halted, revoke API keys or service accounts used by the backups and unregister any client devices from the management console. This step severs the automation and access paths so the pause becomes persistent, while preserving your ability to reverse the change if needed. Finally, remove or archive stored backups according to your retention policy, and then confirm there are no active client connections to the backup target. Make sure storage is freed and monitoring alerts are updated to reflect the change. Once done, verify with a manual inventory scan that no backup jobs are active and that scheduling is cleared. If something goes wrong, check the agent and system logs for errors, restart the service for diagnostics, and then rerun the verification steps to locate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.